Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. This is the lecture 3 of Phenomenon of Light of chapter 9. This lecture basis on periscope and one creative question practice. Now we start. This is the periscope. In periscope, two plane mirror are used. Two plane mirror are used in periscope. This is the first plane mirror and this is the second plane mirror. These plane mirror are placed in which way? The angle between incident ray and mirror is 45 degree. So what is the angle between mirror and incident ray? The angle between incident ray and mirror is 45 degree. So there's our incident ray. This incident ray comes from the object, from hidden object. This incident ray falls on the first mirror, in which way the angle of incidence is 45 degree. This incident ray reflected by the mirror, at which angle the light ray reflected? The light ray reflected at an angle 45 degree, cause the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So in first mirror, the angle of incidence is 45 degree and angle of reflection also 45 degree. These rays are the reflected ray for first mirror, and these rays falls on the second mirror, so that these reflected ray of the first mirror are the incident ray for the second mirror. So these are incident ray for second mirror. These rays falls on second mirror, in which way the angle of incidence is 45 degree, and these incident ray reflected at a angle of reflection of 45 degree, and this reflected ray falls on eyes. For this reason we see the hidden object. This is the mechanism of periscope. Now next, one creative question practice. Look at the picture. AB is the incident ray. AB is the incident ray. The angle between mirror and incident ray is 30 degree. So question A, what is reflection? This definition already discussed in second lecture. Now question B, write down the difference between regular and irregular reflection. These question answer already discussed in second lecture. Now question C, at B point what will be the angle of incidence? At B point what will be the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence means the angle between normal and incident ray. So at B point, what will be the angle of incidence? This is the figure. At B point, the angle between incident ray and mirror is 30 degree, and this is the normal at B point. This is the normal at B point. So the angle between normal and incident ray is 60 degree. Clear? At B point, at first, the angle between mirror and incident ray, this is the 30 degree. So we draw a normal at B point. This is the normal. So what is the angle between normal and incident ray? Normal is 60 degree. This is the 60 degree. So at B point, what will be the angle of incidence? The angle of incidence is 60 degree. Now question D. Question D. According to the stem, draw the diagram in which way the light ray reflected. According to the stem, draw the diagram in which way the light ray reflected. First, the incident ray AB, this ray reflected at an angle of reflection 60 degree, cause the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are equal. At B point, the angle of incidence 60 degree and the angle of reflection also 60 degree. So this angle 60 degree. This reflected ray falls on the second mirror. This is the second mirror. This is the incident ray for second mirror, and this is the reflected ray for first mirror. Same ray, this ray, reflected ray for first mirror, and this is the incident ray for second mirror. So at C point, we draw a normal. At C point. So the angle between normal and incident ray is 30 degree. So this is the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence is 30 degree. Similarly, the reflected ray goes away, moves at an angle of 30 degree. At an angle of reflection is 30 degree. So this is the angle of reflection 30 degree. In this way, the light ray reflected. This reflected ray for the second mirror, but this reflected ray is the incident ray for the third mirror. So this is the third mirror. At D point, we draw a normal. This is the normal. So for third mirror, this is the normal and this is the incident ray for third mirror. The angle between normal and incident ray is 60 degree. Also the this is the reflected ray for third mirror. So for third mirror, the angle between normal and reflected ray also 60 degree, because the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. In this way, the light ray reflected. At first, AB is the incident ray for first mirror, and BC is the reflected ray for first mirror, and BC is the incident ray for second mirror, and CD is the reflected ray for second mirror, and CD also the incident ray for third mirror, and DE is the reflected ray for third mirror. In this way, the light ray reflected.